Hey everybody! Welcome to More with E Mondays here on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E, and boy don't I have a treat for you today. A nice little quick easy recipe. So let's go check it out. Today's recipe, we're going to be making vegan crab cakes, y'all. I'm very excited about showing you this recipe because I used to love eating seafood. And in this recipe, it's not only tasty, but it's so easy and quick to make. So, if you love seafood, like I do, then please check out this recipe and tell me what you think. So the first thing you'll need is some oyster mushrooms, which I purchased mine from Central Market. You should be able to find them at your local health food store. Next, we will put the oyster mushrooms in a food processor and pulse it just a couple of times until it's chopped. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can cut it by hand with a knife. Pour those chopped mushrooms in a bowl. Next, you will add 1 chopped up red onion, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 cup of chickpea flour, and lastly, half a cup of water. Then we're gonna stir all the ingredients thoroughly inside the bowl. Do keep in mind you will have to add more water until you get all of the flour mixed in. It should look exactly like this. Then we will add 1 spoonful of the mix to an oiled preheated pan. Let the mix cook 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until it's golden brown. Then place the cooked ones onto a plate and let it cool down for a few minutes. There you have it. Vegan crab cakes made with mushroom. These cakes taste better than how they look, so don't wait any longer. It's your turn to try. See, it was simple, easy, and if you go ahead and try it, I promise you it's going to be tasty. Now, for more recipes, please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E. You can catch me next week. More with E Mondays here on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. I'm out.